today we'll be making a watermelon basket, and right here I have a 4 kilogram watermelon that I got. Alright, so first to start carving the watermelon into a basket, you'll need to make the bottom half stable. So you can see, as long as you are able to let it stand, that is good enough. So it's just a little bit that I cut off. And now we'll start with the next bit. And so the type of watermelon basket that I'm actually making is with a handle. So you can see that I'm cutting it into a handle shape. So this is really dependent on the thickness of your handle. So just cut it to 2 strips like this. And repeat for the other side as well. Alright, not all the way down, but just halfway through. So once you reach the halfway through, then you cut it in the opposite direction. Then you'll be able to break this out. So if you're not able to, then you need to make sure to cut it properly. Worry about whether it looks perfectly cut in half or not, because the touch-up will all be done later. So same as the other side, also repeat the same steps. Cut it all the way through. So you can see that on this side is the handle, so you don't want to cut that part because then it will just crumble. To break this as well, just keep it aside. So you can see from this side that I actually have a handle shape already. So now I need to cut off the watermelon itself, just leave the skin bit of it, so that will be your handle. So we have already removed that, and it looks like this. So just here and there that you need to just touch up. Just make sure that it's even. Alright, so now we are going to start carving. So just at a slanting edge, cut out a piece so it will look like this. You'll have a little V shape, and you'll just repeat the same for the rest until the end. Don't worry about having it perfect. And now we'll repeat the same for the other side as well. So it's going to be a full circle of zigzag for the edges. So it gives it a real nice design for it. Watermelon carving. So don't worry about all this extra ones at the side here. Still good to eat. You can also choose to scoop out everything. But so basically, this is it. You can see the carving around it has been completed. So all the excess we can just add it into here. Alright, so for the basket earlier, there's the fruit still left, so I'm just doing some final touch-ups, just scrape it off. So what you want is for it to be as close to the skin as possible. Alright, now on to the next bit. I have a bowl here and we'll be scooping it into nice round shapes and just add that in. So repeat for all until all of the watermelon has been scraped off. So these nice tiny balls, you can, if you have an ice cream scoop, you can use an ice cream scoop or just anything really. So we'll make this a nice fruit basket. And also if you caught that on, I'm pretty sure the camera caught that earlier. So just to take note that the juice does splash a lot. So make sure to put a cloth on your table while doing it. Some may not come out perfectly, but you don't have to worry about that. Alright, so it's the same thing, and I'll record again once we're done. Alright, so we've made into nice little cute balls, and this is all the watermelon we scraped out. You can see all nice round shapes. So basically that is it. So all of the juice and everything, we just kept it here. And now, because inside we cannot scrape anymore into nice round balls like these, so we'll be just scooping it up. So we'll scoop it up so that the bottom surface is actually all like right up to the skin, so you don't have any more of the fruit inside. So we'll just scoop it all out until it's clear. Alright, so we've scraped out everything. Make sure when you're scraping it, you actually don't hold the handle. So all the extra ones, you can just pour it out into another bowl. A lot of juice because it's scraping it out, but well, we can make watermelon juice with that. So right here I have the watermelon basket already scraped out. So you can see, don't worry about the bottom of it being not scraped out well, because we're going to cover it with these watermelon balls that we made. Then we also have pomegranate fruit, kiwi, as well as some grapes over here. Alright, so adding in all the watermelon balls in here. This will be your base layer, so just add in a lot of watermelons at the bottom, then add in your desired fruits. So I'm adding in grapes. I have the pomegranate a little inside as well, and just adding it more. Now add in the kiwi. Now we're adding in back the watermelon balls just to give it that volume so that it's nice to look at. Add in a little more watermelon. Alright, because the fruits that I have are all really tiny, so we want that volume, and that's why I'm adding in more. Now add in back the grapes as well as the pomegranate. Alright, now we'll add in the kiwi and just place it nicely around the edges so that it gives it that variance in color. So that's about it, and then you'll need to just nicely arrange everything, and then we're done. Alright, so this is the fruit basket that I carved, and I've just added in a little more fruits to the mix just to give it that nice color. When you see a lot of colors mixed, it's really nice. So I've added in mango, just a couple of pieces. And so basically this is it. So you can see that if you want it to be nice, I just added in some small tiny pieces of pomegranate around the edges. So similarly, the back, I've also added them in. So this is it. And in total, it actually took me only 10 minutes to carve this whole thing. It's really simple. And this is my first time ever doing it. So if you are wondering whether or not you'll be able to do this, don't worry, it is really easy. Just do it slowly at your own pace and add in as many fruits as possible. So of course, I really would like to see you making this. So if you do make it and you follow my video, leave me a comment down in the comment section down below so that I know that you actually enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.